I'm going to show you how to fix if your YouTube TV is not loading or if it's stuck on loading screen. So if you go on any video, if you play any video, if either it's live or it's not live, and it is stuck on the loading sign and it keeps on rotating and rotating and it's not playing. So what you can do is you can follow these few steps that are going to help you. So what you can do is, so the first thing that you can see is your Wi-Fi. So you can check if you are connected to your home Wi-Fi, and if you are not connected to your home Wi-Fi, then you can change that Wi-Fi, and you should also turn off the Wi-Fi and then turn it back on, restart the Wi-Fi, and that should solve your problem. And then when you refresh the page of YouTube TV, it should not buffer. So this is the first thing that you should do if your YouTube TV is buffering a lot. And if it is still buffering, then the second thing you should do is you can log out of your YouTube TV and then log back in. So if you go here on the top right corner, and there from here you can sign out of your YouTube TV and then sign back in, and after that when you're going to play, it should resolve the problem of buffering. And if that still does not solve the issue, what you should do is, if you are on a device, for example if you are watching it on a smart TV or an Android TV, you should check for update of your device, of your application, YouTube TV application. And if your YouTube TV application is up to date, then it should not buffer. And if you are on a web browser, for example if I am on a web browser and it is buffering, then I should check my Chrome updates or my browser updates. So for example right here it says that new Chrome is available, so I should update my Chrome to resolve the buffering problem. So I hope this was helpful and this solved your problem. Thank you so much for watching.